Alright guys, it's a very hot day today. It's noon in tropical island of Borneo. So as you can see, this is an old very old RC track still around, but today I'm going to concentrate on taking videos on the race stadium, motorsport race stadium over here. So I'm gonna take a nice footage. It's a sunny day, so I want to see how does Zino handle in a very hot weather and extremely bright day. So here's my Zino. Saturday I didn't cycle, so I just drove my car. All right, so where should I? Okay, I'm packed under the shades. My bag. Extend it. Right, got the Zino. Turn on the Zino first. Turn on the controller. Got it. There's cables here. So the wind is blowing in this direction. I'm going that direction. In case any problem, the wind just push it over towards my side. So we're good. Cannot see anything under the sun. Need to go to do under the shades. I must bind. Please wait. Next. It's 4 meter. GPS accuracy correct. Good. And what should I do now? Check my binding. Cannot see anything around here. Is it bounded? Okay, it's bounded. And I need to go under the shades. Cannot even see. Okay, I can see something. I'm gonna fly at 80. Max waypoint setting 80. As usual, we're going to do the waypoint thing. And now aerial photography, I'm too lazy on the stick, so I just want to control the gimbals only. And I'm gonna switch to video mode and adjust the video parameter. Okay, the white balance, people said you have to adjust manually, so it's set to sunny. I want a better sharpness. Right, sharp. Okay. And okay, so I'm gonna do the waypoint flight. Waypoint planning. Resize the map. Oh shit, I cannot see. So here we are at the racetrack. So I'm gonna draw the waypoint. Draw the waypoint. I'm here. Fly here. Good. Yeah, that's okay. Keep. So I have to submit. Submit successful. Now I have to put, wait, I haven't put the point of interest. Put it here. No, put point of interest here. No. So hard to see. Point of interest here. No, not the waypoint. Point of interest here. Okay, Now we submit. All right, done. Says I have to take off first. Okay, let's record. It's recording. Yeah, and we're taking off. Yes, please. She's taking off. It's me here. So let's fly. Okay. Let's see where it goes. It's flying up. There's no Wi-Fi interference around. We are far away from town area, so we're good. The display is good, connection is good. Yeah, nice view. This is our local racing track for motorbikes, cars, you know, JDMs. Was a go-kart, but you know, everybody can race. I wish they support FPV car. Yeah, it's flying now. Just a gimbal. Right, so that's the beautiful view of our racing track. Oh, oh. Hey, not bad. It still have 50% power left. Maybe the hot weather is very suitable for Zino. Usually if I fly early in the morning, it drains a lot of power. Yeah, I guess I should fly more often, you know, during the sunny days. Okay. It's hot, I can't see the screen. Waypoint mission complete. So let's bring it home. Take off at the waypoint. Alright. Alright, it's landing. As you can see. Alright, let's land it. Hey, is it? Yeah, great. Looks very stable, you know. Nice. I didn't flash anything. I didn't adjust the firmware. It's remained stock. Flying on a very hot noon. It's like lunchtime there. All right, so that's it. So we're going to land and try out some other places. I still have a lot of batteries. Okay, so we're going to land. Nice. So don't forget to shut down the recording. If you don't shut down, it won't save. Alright, Zino, awesome. So today we shot an interesting place. Hope to continue to discover other places. So see you guys soon. Gonna unpack and go. Alright.